Hello friends, I'm coming at you with a quick 10-minute yoga practice today. If you're having one of those days where you feel like you have no time for yourself or you're feeling unmotivated to move, this is a perfect practice for you. So let's get started. Begin sitting at the front part of your chair with feet flat on the ground, sitting up tall. Take your fingers to the notch at your collarbones and trace outwards to your shoulders. This should feel like a nice stretch across your chest. And then drop your hands down, palms facing up. Close the eyes and breathe for a moment with awareness. Breathing in and breathing out. Taking a moment to be fully here. Start by feeling the sensations that your body is making with the surfaces that support you. Maybe sensing through your feet or your sitting bones. Breathing into those points of contact. Setting an intention for your practice today. Mine will be to be here right now, fully present. And opening the eyes if they were closed. Let's begin with some sun salutations. Let your arms float freely at your side. And then on an inhale, begin to sweep them forward and up any amount. Place the palms together and lower to your heart center. Exhale. Then inhale, open wide to a T shape. And exhale, arms float down to your side. Let's do that a few times. Inhale, sweep the arms forward. Feel free to look up if that's comfortable for you. Exhale, palms lower to your heart center. Then inhale, open the arms wide. And exhale, relax them down. Again, deep breath in through the nose. And exhale, lower the palms down. Inhale, stretch through the chest. And exhale, release. One more time. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, palms float down. Inhale, arms to a T. And as you exhale this time, let's come into child's pose. So either with your elbows on your thighs, or if you have the range, you can reach all the way down to the ground. Feel free to widen the knees if that feels more accessible for you. And then I like to do a little shoulder dance here, just rocking the shoulders a little back and forth, releasing any tension from the upper back. And let the head go. Feel free to nod the head yes, and then no. And then slowly push down through the feet and come up one vertebra at a time. Then send your arms back behind you, either grabbing the back of the chair or placing your hands on the chair seat behind you, fingers facing forward. If you can, plant your wrists all the way down, go for it. Just finding the stretch that works for you. Feeling an openness through the chest, breathing in and breathing out. One more breath. And exhale, release. Now straighten the right leg along the ground. Keep all that openness through the chest as you inhale, lengthen the spine, and exhale, lean towards your right outstretched leg. Place your hands on the opposite knee for support, or you can reach one hand towards the toes as you like. Breathing in, breathing out. Lengthen the back of the neck. Press down through the right heel. Stay lifted through the heart. And then inhale back up to sitting, changing sides. Extend through the left leg. Sitting up tall, shoulder blades draw together. Inhale, and as you exhale, lean forward until you feel that stretch through the back of the hamstring and calf, maybe even into the foot and toes. Draw the toes up for a deeper stretch and maybe reach for your shin or toes. Back of the neck is long, breath is flowing. Be here now. Be fully present with all the sensations in the body. And then inhale, lift the chest to come up, slide that foot back. Now we're going to turn over to the right. So turn your torso all the way to the right side and drop your left knee down. So the left knee is going to reach down towards the ground, coming into a warrior pose. So you should start feeling a stretch through that left front hip. So this may be enough here, and you can see I'm holding on to the back of the chair for support. If you like, you can add on by reaching your left arm up overhead and gazing over your right knee. Sitting tall, drop that left knee down towards the ground, reaching up through the left fingers, smiling. One more breath. And then if your arm was extended, release the arm and change sides. Swivel over to the left side. Drop the right knee down, hold on to the back of the chair. And then if you wish, you can inhale and reach the right arm up overhead. Grow tall out of your pelvis. Chest is lifting, chin is tucking in, breathing in and breathing out. And then slowly come back through center. Windshield wiper your knees. And then hug your right knee in. You can interlace your fingers underneath for extra support. Sitting up tall. And then bring your forehead down to the knee, any amount to stretch through the back. Relax the shoulders. And then inhale to sit up tall. Take your left hand across to the right knee and come into a twist. So begin to look behind you to the right, maybe extending through the right arm, reaching back. Relax the shoulders. Breathing in and breathing out. And then coming back to center, changing sides. So lift up the other knee, hug it in, grow tall, sitting up tall, and then bow forehead to knee. Hold the stretch for a moment. And then inhale, sitting up tall, drop the leg, cross the arm over to the outside of the left knee, and then twisting to look back behind you to the left, extending through the left arm, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Come back to center. And one more stretch. Let's do a right ear to right shoulder, stretching the neck. Relax the shoulders and let gravity do most of the work. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhale to come up and over to the other side. Left ear to left shoulder. Breathing in, breathing out. Let go. On an inhale, coming up to center. And let's close with 3 relaxing sighs. This is my favorite brief relaxation technique. So inhale through your nose, and then exhale out and sigh it out. Don't feel afraid to make some noise here. Let's do that again. Deep inhale through the nose. Sigh it out. Last one. Inhale through the nose. Exhale with a sigh. Release, let go, be present. Thank you for joining me today. Bye for now.